Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will create this gesture app and we will use two different gestures here. So start Xcode, choose create a new project, choose single view app, type name, gesture and choose a location for the project. Click this main.storyboard and here it is. Press Command Shift L, type label, drag and drop two labels here. Select both labels, choose attributes, change label color and change font. Change this label text to gesture and change this label to value 0. Add alignment constraint, horizontal in container. Add a new constraint from top to 20. Uncheck this constraint to margin. In the same way, add new constraint to this label. Press Command Shift L, type guess and tap gesture recognizer, drag drop this in view and select this long press gesture, drag and drop this in view. Here we have tap gesture recognizer and long press gesture recognizer. Here we have this controller file and here we have the storyboard. Let's click this. Select label 0, hold Ctrl and drag and drop it here. Type a name, label count and the type UI label, connection outlet, storage weak. And here we have tab gesture recognizer. Select this, press Ctrl key and drag and drop it in controller, type name, tap gesture and in type select this UI tap gesture recognizer. In the same way, select this and press Ctrl, drag and drop it in controller, name long gesture, type UI long gesture recognizer. Let's create a variable count, type integer and initial value 0 and define a function here, function increase counter, and we will increase this counter by value of 1. call this function here in long gesture self.increaseCounter and also in tab gesture self.increaseCounter. And in increase counter function we will set this count variable value to our level count like this. And when we execute this, and here is our app. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.